Hi there, vjvtamer here. Going to the beach today! This is what I wanted to do since I did my vision board. Yeah, I did a vision board. So what? Moving on. I wanted to let you guys know that I'm so happy that you like this series, and well, the beginner's makeup series, because I like doing them, and it's like not relaxing, but like I like doing them. So we're going to the beach. I don't know what to pack in here. So we're going to the beach, and I'm taking you guys with me. Yeah, that's the plan. And I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog there, but again, thank you so much for liking this new thing I'm doing. I was so scared that nobody would watch it, but like right now it's 87 people watching it. Alright, so we'll get to that. After that, I went for a walk, and then my dad came to pick me up, and right now I'm doing some editing of this video.